commercial tree saw is a specialized device for cutting and removing trees. Equipped with a steel blade resembling the sharp teeth of a shark, it can cut through tree trunks with a diameter of up to 40 centimeters. The machine is capable of cutting large trees in just 30 seconds, increasing work productivity by up to 50%. The Stronken Killer 1270 is like a beast with steel jaws, ready to bite deep and tear apart even the toughest tree stumps. With a gripping force of up to 1,270 tons, it effortlessly pulls out the largest stumps. In just a few seconds, decades-old roots are brought down without mercy. You're witnessing a man preparing to use a tractor to pull out a large tree stump. The scene captivates you, especially the way he combines human effort with machinery to remove the tree. You're drawn to these images and wonder if others feel the same way. Wow, that's truly impressive. The Fecon FTX 150 is a 150 horsepower brush-eating machine, ready to devour thick vegetation and trees like snacks. With its 22-inch mulcher head, it clears land fast, leaving nothing but mulch in its wake. Thanks to its 18-inch wide tracks, it glides over rough terrain, unstoppable and hungry for more. At first, I thought this tree might hold on for quite a while, but with the immense power of the tractor, it was uprooted so quickly. Wow, that cracking sound is oddly satisfying, isn't it? This bright red RPAL machine is truly a powerful beast, paired with a tractor to effortlessly crush large branches. In the blink of an eye, massive tree limbs are devoured and shredded into fine wood chips. Watch our pal in action and witness its impressive performance now. You absolutely have to watch this video because the tension is unreal. The truck could tumble down the slope at any moment. I don't think I could handle it if I were the one driving that truck. It's so dangerous, isn't it? The John Deere 948L-2 skidder is a forestry beast with a 9.0-liter diesel heart, pumping out 255 horsepower. It tears through tough terrain with four-wheel drive and effortlessly devours large logs. Take a look, everyone. A massive tree is about to be taken down by the Stihl MS-881, the most powerful chainsaw from Stihl. With a 121.6 cubic centimeter engine and 6.4 kilowatts of power, it's designed specifically for felling large timber. Let's wait together for the moment when this giant beast finally falls. With its sharp 44-inch blade, the CSIDL 4400 is like an unstoppable steel warrior, slicing cleanly through massive logs. Its power turns every challenge in the forest into a breeze, as it handles timber with incredible precision, making even the toughest tasks seem effortless. With its 80.7cc engine, the Echo CS 800P is like a chainsaw beast, ready to tear through the thickest logs. Its 24-inch bar makes cutting down massive trees effortless. This machine is built to conquer the toughest challenges. When I first saw the FAE UML/SSL 150, I was blown away by its 150-centimeter width and razor-sharp blades. In just seconds, it shredded trees into fine mulch, leaving me amazed by its sheer power. The John Deere 753J is a forest beast with 225 horsepower, effortlessly tearing through dense woods. It grabs and cuts multiple trees in one move, making it a productivity giant. The operator, like a mastermind, controls every action with precision. The Tiger Cat 870C feller buncher is a powerful forestry machine designed for efficient tree felling and bunching, capable of handling trees up to 66 centimeters in diameter. With a 305 horsepower engine and advanced hydraulics, it allows precise cutting and bunching. Ideal for tough terrains, it boosts productivity by up to 30% in logging operations. We're about to witness a spectacular scene that may surprise you, especially where this giant tree is about to fall. Wow, it's pretty impressive, isn't it? Cutting down large trees is absolutely necessary during the annual storm season to prevent any potential casualties. Hopefully, we will plant more trees so that the world always has fresh, clean air. Behold the powerful bandit, standing tall in its striking green. With just a few quick moves, it shreds massive logs into wood chips in no time. Not only strong, but incredibly fast, Bandit will leave you amazed by its outstanding performance. The steel Duramatic isn't just a chainsaw. It's a symbol of raw power and resilience. When the engine roars to life, you feel the forest bending to your will. Its sharp blade slices through massive trees like a sword through its foe. With the style Duramatic in hand, no challenge in nature stands a chance. If it were you, would you take on this job? It's both physically demanding and stressful. Today might be a tough work day for them.
Tunggu. Kata. 2つ。
The Husqvarna 562 XP is a powerful machine with 4.7 horsepower and a chain speed of up to 14,700 RPM. Designed for tough jobs, it cuts through large logs as if it were tearing paper. Weighing only 6.1 kilograms, it offers an excellent balance between power and agility, making any sawing task much easier.